It's called The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Incarcerated But Not Silenced.
Vybz Kartel is speaking on more than music. He's talking about his book, The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Incarcerated But Not Silenced. Written before and during his incarceration, Kartel explains that the book gives a first-person look into real Jamaica, its politics, struggles, and the lives of the marginalized. He breaks down history through his music, challenges stereotypes, and reminds readers that even behind bars, his voice was never silenced. The book is still available worldwide, and Kartel says more books and music are on the way. Like, subscribe on SonicSnap.
It was released in 2012, like I said, co-authored by me and Michael Dawson. And it's currently being published by Book Baby. Okay, so you can check it out. The book is basically a first-person account from me detailing the perspectives on what I like to call the real Jamaica. Political secrets, social ideologies, the duplicitous nature of Jamaica, struggle of the poor, just stuff like that. And it gives you a historical breakdown in the chapters based on songs that I've written in the past. So basically it's a good read, It's like Vybz Kartel giving a voice to the marginalized, we challenging stereotypes and just challenging readers to look deep beyond the surface. It's a deep book, so anybody never read it, check it out. It's called The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Incarcerated But Not Silenced. It's a good read. Just look on it now on Google. Amazon.com. You can still get it. Barnes & Noble. It's a good book, people. On Goodreads, it has a 4.2 out of a 5. Apple Books, 4.9 out of 5. Got Minute Up on Life. Big up Michael Dawson, my co-author. We started writing the book before my incarceration, my wrongful incarceration. And then we finished up the book while I was going through my legal process, so to speak. But here's a good book, people. And look out for more books in the future from Vybz Kartel. Because I have a lot of material that I wrote while incarcerated. I'm telling you about like a ton load of material. So look out for that. And as you know, the album coming again. So just good vibes, good energy, positivity all the way. And never forget, God is the greatest. I'm out.